No. When you love, you give the people.
Yeah.
Serve for the people, serve for yourself. Just true. So when you eating,
Can you translate it in Tagalog?
Embre, when the customer, kakain. So there's a
Tatayin. Guys, andito tayo sa Yuseco Street sa tapat ng Barangay 160, Zone 14 dito sa Tondo. Puntahan natin ulit si Biryani King. Ayun oh, pinipilahan oh. Meron siya ditong bagong pwesto at meron pang isa pero ito yung gusto kong tikman, yung nasa street para madali yung tuntunin. Again, tapat ng Barangay 160, Zone 14 sa Yuseco Street. Let's go! Hala!
هلا حبيبي هلا
Mudir!
كيف حالك؟
Alhamdulillah.
Hello, Tayyip.
How are you? Good?
الحمد لله I'm okay.
I'm with the Biryani King again. Kung
Welcome.
nakasubaybay kayo sa mga vlog ko sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Facebook, napuntahan ko siya how he started sa Smoky Mountain pa yung before. At saka nagkaroon siya ng malaking restaurant doon sa Dagupan, sa Tondo, malapit sa Dragon 8 Mall. Ngayon, nandito sa Yuseco Street, sa, again,
Rahabago.
tapat ng Barangay Hall ng 160 sa
Rahabago.
Zone
Rahabago.
14.
Opo, Rahabago Tondo.
Rahabago?
Opo. Dito Rahabago, yung Seco Street Rahabago.
Rahabago, Tondo. So guys, ito naman ang titikman natin ngayon. Ulit, after how many years, nagkita kami ulit at pinuntahan ko nga sa Biryani King. Siya nagpauso ng mga biryani sa street, di ba? At saka yung mga talagang authentic na biryani. But, ang dami kasing biryani. Merong Saudi, Qatar, Oman, Indian. Sa kanya, Egyptian biryani. At, alam nyo ba, yung shawarma dito, buy one, take one. At saka yung kanyang beef biryani, chicken biryani, 100 pesos lang.
Siyempre, 100, we not change our price. Still 100 peso.
Oh, pinipilahan guys. Oh.
Opo. Even
Oh.
50 years, we still not change our price. 100 only.
Even 50 years.
Even 50 years, 100 only.
Even
Yes!
50 years daw.
Yes!
Hindi magbabago yung presyo, 100 only. Kahit na yung lolo na ang pupunta, lolo natin, 100 pa rin daw.
Oo.
Oo.
No, siyempre, this 100 only for the
Baguluto
few
ah.
people.
Too much order, too much order.
Too much order and too much money.
Too much money ha?
Oh, marami flus.
Oo.
More, too much money.
Too much money.
Diba?
Oh, too much
Marami.
bulus.
Oo.
Too much bulus ha?
But not complete 200,000 until now.
Oh, biryani kayo dyan, biryani. I'm with the Biryani King.
Yes, try mo. Masarap sobra.
Try mo, masarap. Masarap pa
Sobra.
sa asawa.
Arabo.
Ami ni asawa daw.
This one queen only.
One only queen ha?
Oo. It's okay na.
Sabi niya, "Shh, dala."
It's okay na.
This one is beef
Opo.
or laham.
Laman beef.
Laham na beef?
Opo.
How much?
Buy one, take one, 175. Solo order 90 peso.
Oh, buy one, take one. Laham and beef. Ibig sabihin, laham and beef biryani, 175 pesos. Buy one, take one.
Solo order 90 peso. Shawarma rice 120. In this is walang shawarma, but the people who say shawarma, would say okay. They accept. But this, sandwich laham. Sandwich laham.
Solo order 90 pesos.
Opo.
Oh, this one.
Oh.
Too much.
Oh, dito.
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 Diyan daw. Oh, biryani kayo dyan. Guys, ang daming tao. Pinipilahan. What time open?
We
Here.
open like 3.
3 in the afternoon.
Opo. 3
What time finish? Close.
3 to 3.
Oh, 3 p.m. until 3 a.m.
Oo.
Oh, masarap.
Marami fulusa.
Oh, too much
Marami
fulus.
pero too much money. Ah.
You give fulus for me, ah.
Siyempre.
Siyempre, marunong na mag-Tagalog.
Hindi walang Tagalog alam.
Ha? Walang Tagalog alam. Ang ganda ng storya nito, guys. Actually, na-feature na siya sa GMA.
Marami GMA, sila sa
Ha?
Marcos.
Oh, na-feature na siya dati sa
Si
Magpakailanman.
Magpakilanman. Si
Life story, Biryani
si
King. Jessica
what's name?
Soho.
Jessica Soho. And Susana and Melchanko.
Bulchanko.
Eid Bulaga.
Eid Bulaga?
Good morning, yeah. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh.
Channel 5 News Channel.
Oh, put fulus. Oh, Ito ang kanyang, again, yung biryani niya ay Egyptian biryani. Egyptian food kasi Egyptian siya.
Opo.
Oo.
This is my own recipe, this one. This is my favorite. Si Mama.
This one is your recipe?
Yeah, no one make like this. Si Mama she make before when I'm young. This is my favorite.
Tinuro daw sa kanya ng nanay niya. Mama! Mama!
Yeah, so no one know what is this. This sandwich laham, this is not shawarma. If you eat it, you not forget me never. Have secreto.
So I will try, I will try again.
But you will pay, ha?
I will pay? Gcash.
Hindi walang Gcash, cash.
Cash?
Yeah, for the customer 175 by 1 take 1. For you 350.
Les!
Sadiq.
Sadik! Huwag mo pulos! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Saba, tamaniya. Tesa.
Mukmabi!
Mabi mo.
Mabi mo!
Kami ulit. Ya walad. Unta mabi mo. Alwali.
Ito mabi mo! Kaliwali!
Oh.
Then, naging kaibigan na natin to kasi tagal ko na siyang blinagno. So, Smoky Mountain, Dagupan Street, and now here in Raksabago Street. And where's the another branch?
Oriones.
Oriones.
Masinop.
What's the
High
name?
school.
What's the name?
Shawarma al-Masri Biryani King. Shawarma al-Masri Biryani King.
Shawarma El Masri Biryani King in Moriones.
Moriones.
But
Masinop.
here in Raksabago,
Sabago, Yusuke Street. Shawarma al-Masri also. But
Biryani King.
Yeah, because the people him like say shawarma.
you know, before, little biryani only.
This one
But
finish sold out. See? Finish, sold out na.
after you sell biryani, too much biryani now selling in Metro Manila because of you.
I'm too much proud about this because
Yes.
I am start open the door for no one have business. Come and make me idols for him, so I'm proud. I'm not sad about the people have business.
Yeah.
No, I support everyone you have. Also, no have experience. If anyone asking me what about material, about what to do, I help. I support. I'm not saying no.
Where did you buy the spices? In
There's spices.
Tondo?
No, my secret.
Secret spices.
Yeah, everything.
How many
is-
spices?
Just more than 25.
25.
Oo.
What's the number one? One.
The number one heart.
Okay.
Not make me, not open for what I say. What is this? Because this, no one know.
Because they will make copy.
Yeah. number one, the quality for the beef and ingredient. Ano?
200.
The quality for the ingredient.
Okay, put here.
Ano?
200.
See, I told you,
Marunong na.
800.
Too much.
I told you about the secret.
Oh. What's the secret?
Secret when you cooking food, you must first love. You must first feeling what you eat, not give the people different for what you food. No, when you love, you give the people.
Yeah.
Serve for the people, serve for yourself. Just true. So when you eating,
Can you translate it in Tagalog?
Embre, when the gusto mo, kakain. So,
Tatayin.
kumain. So, serve for the tao.
Na tao.
Oo.
Alam mga tao, kain tayo mga tao. Halika na.
Oo.
Kain na tayo, huwag natin patagalin pa. Tikman ko
Tikman.
Tikman.
Sige na.
Ako kain.
Siyempre. You must.
At eto na guys, ang titikman natin lahat dito kay Biryani King, Raksabago Tondo na branch niya kasi meron siya sa Moriones, no? Yung El Masri Biryani King. At kung nakasubaybay kayo sa mga vlog ko, sa TikTok, sa YouTube lalo, sa Facebook, mga dati pa, napuntahan ko na to on how he started. Nagsimula siya sa Smoky Mountain. Tapos nagkaroon ng branch, malaking restaurant doon sa may Dagupan Street, sa Dragon Mall, malapit. Ngayon, nandito siya sa street ng Raksabago, tapat ng Barangay 160 sa Zone 14. So, open ito ng 3 p.m. until 3 in the morning. Ang kanya ditong laham sandwich, ang tawag niya ay laham sandwich. Yan, pinaputol-putol ko na kasi sobrang laki. Buy one, take one siya. 175 pesos. Pag solo order naman, 90 pesos. Ayan. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito siya, kaya pinutol-putol na siya. Ay, ganyan siya kalaki. Ayan, oh. Ganyan siya kahaba. Ito ay buy one, take one. So, another isang ganito, 175. Pinahati ko siya, magiging apat, 175 pa rin kasi buy one, take one. So, apat na siya. Pero kung solo order, 90 pesos. Hindi ka na talo dyan. And, marami siyang in-offer dito. This one is the beef biryani. Beef biryani, 100 pesos only. We have the chicken biryani. Ito ay chicken biryani, 100 pesos only. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Shawarma rice, 120 pesos only. Ayan. Yun, ang daming bumibili, oh. Daming kumakain. At saka si Bossing nga, follower natin. Ayan, oh. Taga saan kayo, sir?
Manila.
Taga Manila. Ano pangalan niyo, sir?
Alfred.
Sir Alfred. Chinese. Alfred
Chan.
Chan. Pinsan ni Jackie Chan. Pwede rin po. So, ito guys, kain tayo. Biryani King. Binalikan ko. At wala na yung sarado na yung Dagupan na branch niya. So meron siya dito sa Aracsabago at saka sa Moriones. Ito ay shawarma rice, 120. Tikman natin. Ito yung inalo-halo ko kanina sa malaking kawali niya, lutuan niya. Grabe, oh. Ayan, oh. Super lambot, super lambot. Umuusok pa, guys. Ayan. Sarap nung shawarma. Yung meat itself, ang sarap. Flavorful. Pero again, ito ay marami kasing biryani. Merong Indian biryani, Omani, Saudi, Qatar, marami pa, Middle East or Indian. This one is Egyptian biryani. Malinaw pa kasi Egyptian yun. Hala. Habibi. Sarap. Masarap lang yun, Itong mga sauce ito ay yogurt. Ito ay spicy sauce. Oo, yan, Super lambot ng meat. Sarap.
Chef in Dragon Back Lomar. Finish with
Dito kayo makakain ng biryani, 100 lang. Well, actually, nung nag-start siya, yung tab-tab pa lang sa Smoky Mountain, 100 pesos lang din yon. Ito yon, chicken biryani. Ang sarap nung ito,
Malambot.
sobrang lambot ng meat, sobrang lambot. Ito, pareho lang naman siya. Chicken. Dip natin dito. Ito pa. Pag ginano yung chicken, parang gusto sumama lahat ng laman, Super lambot. Ba't ganun? Sobrang tender, juicy. Anong sekreto? Tinatanong ko na sekreto, Ayaw sabihin, Baka daw kopyahin. Next natin is the beef biryani. 100 pesos beef biryani. Gulay muna. Pantanggal umay. Ito, Ayun, sobrang lambot, guys, Spoon lang na plastic, kaya siya, Beef biryani, guys, 100 pesos. Hot sauce, yogurt sauce. Yogurt sauce ba to or garlic sauce? Bahala na, basta sarap niya. Sarap. It feels like nasa Middle East ulit ako, Kamusta dyan? Shout out sa mga tropa na sa Qatar, Doha, Qatar, Halawala, Tifalak, Mudir, Ahmad El-Sadi. Sobrang sarap ng beef biryani. Yung shawarma rice, tender ng meat, ang lasa, flavorful, pati yung rice. At itong chicken biryani, sobrang lambot. Ang lambot niyan, pag subo ko, halos gusto na sumama lahat. Sobrang sarap. Cheers. Banat. Ito naman ngayon ang laham sandwich. Oh. Laham sandwich daw to eh. Ito yung ginawa niya kanina, ang dami tao, di ba? Oh, lagyan natin yan itong sauce. Oh. Lahat ng sauce. Sarap. Sarap. Grabe guys, parang ayokong tigilan. Buy one take one kasi. Ang sarap kasi. Ito ay laham sandwich kung tawagin ha. Tikman natin. Tikman natin. Nakapang ilang tikim na. Para daling kayo dito ng inyong mga paa. Gusto ko thank you. Siyempre, dapat naka-checkpoint shoes kayo. Thank you so much, checkpoint shoes ha. Para daling kayo ng inyong mga paa dito sa Biryani King. Ayan. Meron sila sa Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page. Ito yung Facebook page sila. Napakamura ng mga sapatos dyan. Checkpoint shoes. Ito yun, no? Ayan. Dahil ang Marikina, kilala siya bilang shoe capital of the Philippines. Gawang Marikina po kasi ito. Thank you so much, Sir Neil. Let's support Marikina Showmakers. Let's support Checkpoint Shoes. Ayan. So, mag-Checkpoint Shoes kayo para makarating kayo dito sa Biryani King. Sarap po. Pangalawa na to. Puntahan natin si Biryani King. Mag-thank you tayo. Ano ito, sarap?
هلا حبيبي
Shukran, shukran.
هلا والله
Shukran.
هلا
Wallah.
والله على راسي
I can say now because before I tried your biryani in Smoky Mountain in Dagupan Street, you have restaurant, but now it's for me, for myself, it's better.
Yeah, you're talking about 4 or 5 years ago.
Yes.
We start, so no have experience too much. Now we
Yes.
have experience. We see what the people, the favor for people,
Yes.
what him like, so we go on to doing the better for the people
Yes.
now.
The meat so tender, so juicy, flavorful, and I can say it's before it's good. Now it's more good.
Better more than before. Yeah, I know this one also.
Shukran
Hala,
jasilan.
habibi.
Shukran,
Hala,
shukran.
hala, hala, hala.
I wish you all good luck for your business.
Thank you, and I wish meeting you again. So not every 4 years you come and meeting me. No.
Every 4 years you're coming me.
Yeah, even now for a vlog, coming as a friend, we coming.
Yeah.
For sure, for each other, how we do, how
Yes,
we like.
yes. Inshallah.
Because already you have also good meeting, good vibe, good vibe for the people.
Inshallah. Please invite them.
Hello everybody, welcome in Biryani King. We come back again, but in Rahabago, Tondo, Suko Street, Barangay 160, Suko Street, Rahabago, Tondo, Malapit Barangay Hall, Shawarma Al-Masr Biryani King, better more than before. So my friend is saying. So also the price, also don't worry, we not change any price. 100 chicken biryani, beef biryani 100, holy chicken 350, shawarma buy one take one 175, solo order 90 peso, and samosa 180, and shawarma rice 1 by 120, 120 only. So masarap sobra. Tikman po, what you wait? Masarap.
Pulus.
Just for the vlog.
Thank you guys. Please punta na kayo dito, Biryani King, the original one in Metro Manila. Ang sarap na pagkain. Ang mura ng beef biryani, 100 pesos, chicken biryani. Grabe. Buy one, take one. Laham sandwich.
Yes. 175 only.
Sobrang sarap. Tagalog.
Sobra masarap.
Sobra.
Tikman po. What you wait? Masarap sobra. And also only chicken meron until now 350 only. No any price change in here.
Oh.
Even after 100 years, Biryani King it's same the price.
Mashallah.
All Filipino people enjoy with us.
Yes.
So, try mo.
Dami tao?
Sarap, sobra.
Bukas sila 3 p.m. until 3 a.m.
Oo.
Oo. Opo.
Opo.
Kain po. Punta na.
Kainan mo.
Biryani King.
Try mo. Masarap.
Mga ka-Noel vlogs, lagi niyong subaybayan ng mga vlog ni Noel kasi nakaka good vibes. God bless.
Ayun oh. Sumali na naman.